HCB series portable plasma, flame, CNC cutting machine video shooting scheme. Place the longitudinal guide rail C in a stable place. Align the slide blocks at both sides to the guide rail and carefully push them forward in a horizontal direction. Adjust the cross beam. Make its direction identical with the main body, and slowly drive it in horizontal direction. One. Align the lifting body fixing hole with the mounting hole above the right end of the crossbeam. 2. Tighten using screws. Adjust height and lock using clamp faster fixing screws. Install the frame cutting torch into the clamp fastener. Select a proper flame cutting nozzle. Connecting the cutting nozzle and the cutting torch, and tighten the copper nut. 1. Install the plasma cutting torch into the clamp fastener. Adjust the height and lock using clamp fastener fixing screws. 2. Fix the cable support bracket at both ends of the crossbeam. 3. Fix the cutting torch cable in the cable support bracket. 1. Align the end of the control wire plug to the interface support plate X1 output socket. Align the plug of the other end connected to the solenoid valve and insert the crossbeam socket. 2. Insert the 3-core aviation plug of the power wire at one end into the interface support plate X3 and the other end to AC 220 voltage socket. 3. When installing HP system plasma cutting machine, insert the plasma control center wire 7-core aviation plug into the interface support plate X2 socket and connect the 3-core and 7-core aviation plugs at the other end to HP plasma. 4. Connect the lifting motor and solenoid control wire 4-core plug and crossbeam control wire. 1. Insert the oxygen hose into the left copper joint and fasten with hose clamps. 2. Insert the gas hose into the right copper joint and fasten with hose clamps. Open the rocker switch on the interface support plate. 1. After starting, press the F1 to F7 to select corresponding functions on the main menu according to the prompt shown on the screen window. Press ESC to return to the menu at the upper level. 1. Steps for controlling equipment working by manual. Press F2 on the main menu to operate by manual. Set traveling speed before walking. Press F up and F down to adjust the current speed ratio, or directly press F on the screen to set speed. Press Enter to confirm after setting. Press up down, left, right to